In this video, we'll show you how to set up and install a 4G security camera in a remote location on a forest road in winter. The installation process is rather simple and quick. This camera was sent to us by Reolink for testing installation, seeing how it works. This video is not sponsored. Rather, it's our personal experience with the camera system, solar panel, and everything that comes within the box. First, we fasten the strap and screw the back together using the screws provided in the box. Insert the memory card and the SIM card. But remember, remove the PIN number before proceeding with the installation. Insert the battery and close the back. This is a small-sized portable battery camera with 4G LTE, two-way audio and other features that work without Wi-Fi or power outlets. Select a strong and safe location. It can be a tree in your yard, a fence post, or even screwed into an outside wall for a more permanent location. Tighten the strap firmly and you're ready to go. The camera begins recording whenever there is movement. You can set the alarm to go off and you receive an immediate notification on your phone. Takes creativity to the next level. You can view previous days' videos on the app. You can talk back and more. You can also connect the solar panel and use the app to track when the battery is charged or when the angle needs to be changed. Where would you install such camera systems? Maybe in a remote location, a cabin in the woods, or maybe at home? Comment, subscribe, and we'll show you even more creative tools and inspirations for your next project.